We'll guide you through how to turn off safe mode without the power button on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can go and see at the moment, this device is in safe mode. So if for whatever reason you put it into it, perhaps you're having some type of problem and you've gone and resolved it with safe mode, and now you've finished with it and you want to get out of it. With safe mode on, you're going to go and find the apps you downloaded are disabled, so it makes sense to go and turn it off. So we're going to guide you through some different ways this can be done. To get started, for the first way, swipe down at the top to open the notifications. Now, in some cases, you're going to go receive a notification and it will go and say safe mode is on. Tap on it and you'll get a pop-up saying about turn off safe mode. And you can then press turn off and go and turn it off. Now, if you don't get the pop-up like me, what you can do is you can go and drag down again at the top. Then you go and see the power button in the top right. And you can go and tap that. Then you'll get some options here. You can press restart and go and press restart again. Now your device is going to go and restart, and when it comes back on, it's no longer going to go and be in safe mode. It's that simple.